Lava and water, two forces of nature that couldn't be more different. But when they collide, the results are explosive, deadly, and awe-inspiring. Welcome to Disaster Tube. Today, we're diving into what happens when molten lava meets water. Stick around to witness the fiery chaos and learn the science behind one of nature's most volatile interactions. So, what is lava? Let's start with the basics. Lava is molten rock that erupts from a volcano, reaching temperatures of over 1,300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's exposed to the air, it begins to cool and solidify, but not before leaving destruction in its path. There are two main types of lava flows: the smooth, ropey pahoho and the sharp, jagged ah. Each interacts with water differently, depending on the environment. Water may seem calm and harmless, but when it meets lava, things get dangerous fast. Here's why. Water expands rapidly when heated, turning into steam that can be up to 1,700 times its original volume. This creates massive pressure and, in some cases, explosions. It's not just about the heat, it's about how fast the heat transfers. The quicker the interaction, the more explosive the results. One of the most common lava-water interactions occurs when lava flows into the ocean. The intense heat causes the water to boil instantly, producing thick clouds of steam known as laze or lava haze. Laze is more than just steam. It's a toxic mix of hydrochloric acid and volcanic glass particles. It's dangerous to breathe and can irritate skin, eyes, and lungs. On the bright side, these interactions create new landforms, like black sand beaches and even islands. But don't be fooled by the beauty. This is a dangerous process that should only be observed from a safe distance. When lava interacts with large bodies of water, especially under high pressure, like in underwater environments, the results can be catastrophic. These are called phreatomagmatic eruptions. The 2022 Tonga eruption is a perfect example. When hot magma met seawater, it triggered one of the most explosive eruptions in modern history. These eruptions can create massive shock waves, tsunamis, and ash clouds that can affect the entire planet. From localized destruction to global impacts, these events show just how volatile lava-water interactions can be. While these interactions are destructive, they also play a role in shaping our planet. New landmasses are created, and over time, life begins to return. Plants and animals adapt to these newly formed environments, turning disaster zones into thriving ecosystems. Volcanoes are a reminder that destruction and creation often go hand in hand. If you're ever near a volcanic area where lava might meet water, here are a few critical safety tips. 1. Always follow evacuation orders and stay informed about local volcanic activity. 2. Avoid steam clouds, as they may contain toxic gases. 3. Keep a safe distance from lava flows. Explosions can occur without warning. Respect the power of nature. Even trained scientists take extreme precautions when studying these interactions. So, what happens when lava meets water? It's a battle of extremes. Fire against water, creating explosions, new land, and deadly hazards. Thanks for tuning in to Disaster Tube. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things natural disasters. See you next time.